Hi everyone, welcome to Wilderness Lodge here at the Walt Disney World Resort. We are checking in today. So excited. First time staying at this hotel. It looks absolutely beautiful. Incredible Christmas decorations. Can't wait to see the tree in the lobby. I have heard so many good things. Super excited. We have a DVC Resort Studio. No, DVC Deluxe Studio. Yes, DVC Deluxe Studio here in the Copper Creek section. There's two sections. There's Copper Creek and Boulder Ridge. We're in the Copper Creek section. So excited. We're gonna go inside. Are you ready, bud? You wanna go see the tree? Yay, there's a tree. Okay, let's go. All right. $11.65. This is our room. Let's go inside. Hello. What's going on? Where are we? We're inside. Oh, hello. I'm looking at me. Oh, I'm giving the room tour. Sorry, Mom. Started without you. Bye. All right. I see how it is. We are checked in to Wilderness Lodge. And this is our room. This is a DVC Deluxe Studio. A lovely mirror here on the barn door that leads into the bathroom. Right when you walk in here, we have your closet, hangers, extra pillow and blanket, steamer, ironing board, safe, lots of space for luggage. Next to that, you have your kitchen with one of my favorite features, this pull-out drawer for the cabinet. I love. I wish I had this back home instead of a regular door because I feel like you can fit so much more stuff in such a tiny space. I love these. Fantastic. We had one of these at Contemporary as well, and it was great. And then we've also got the drawer down here with your plasticware, can opener, wine opener, towel, all the things you need. Little bin down there for your garbage. Under the sink, you have your soap, extra paper towels, sponge. Up here on the top, you've got your soap, sponge and dishcloth, paper towels, all of your Joffrey's coffee needs, complete with your full-size coffee pot and microwave. Up here in the cabinet, you have your paper plates and cups, ice bucket. Looking over here in this cupboard above the microwave is your toaster. All set. Then underneath you have your very nicely sized refrigerator. That will do just lovely. No freezer option, but very good size refrigerator. Right. Over here, across from the kitchen, is the bathroom. Very large makeup mirror. Lots of good counter space there. Got two drawers under here as well for storage. And in this drawer over here is your hairdryer. Got plenty of plugs here. Some H2O Plus products, towels, and then we'll head in here to the bathroom. Got towels over here on the wall. Some very good artwork over here. Totem pole, very cool. Toilet, and then your tub and shower combo in here with two shower heads, rainfall and regular. Fancy. Cannot wait to soak in this tub. Little shelf over here with your H2O Plus soap and hair products here mounted to the wall. Lovely, lovely looking tub. All right, coming back out of the bathroom into the main room. Got your TV over here. Very nice big screen TV. And I love this set of drawers. Look how cool they are. They're all different sizes. And they all have different handles on them. This is so neat. I love it. They're pretty good size too. You can unpack a lot of stuff. And you have a little bench here that is also a drawer. You can also store things in here if you need to. I like that option as well because it also provides an extra chair. Speaking of chairs, you've got a lovely little table over here. You can do some sitting. You can also have your breakfast in the morning. And another mirror over here, making sure that you look all cute before you go out to the parks. You have your fun day. And there are tons of plugs. Lots of USB, regular plugs, all around to plug in all of your things and keep you fully charged during your stay. We'll get out to the view here in a second. You've got a couch over here that also pulls out into another sleeper. So this room can sleep up to 4. Ernie's just gonna sleep here on the floor. This is a long day. We also had a big day last night at Jollywood Nights, so I'm gonna take a little nap, yeah. And over here, this, yeah, okay, I have to figure that out. This, I know, opens up and provides even more storage, and I'll figure out how that works there in a second. Getting back over here, next to the bed, you have another Hey Disney, which we discovered in our last room, so you can...
I'll get Alexa for that.
Oh, here we go. We turned it on by accident. Oh dear.
From yomiuri.co.jp. A cork
Oh, there we go. And then you just unplug it. When you can't figure out how to turn it off, just unplug it, and you're fine. That was really my fault for saying the Hey Disney, which is like when you go to someone's house and say, Hey Alexa, and it automatically turns itself on. So, note to self, don't say Hey Disney when you walk into your room. Anyway, back to the room tour. We have lots of drawers over here for your storage. 3 on each side with additional plugs and USBs. Right here. Lots of good light. And a wonderful, super comfy looking queen size bed. Oh, very excited to sleep. Yes. Very, very cozy. Looks really good. And also, if you wanted, a little storage underneath. Look at that. You could fit a suitcase under there. Yes, you could. All right. So, we're just here for one night because we've never stayed here before, and I wanted to check out the tree and just see this beautiful resort in general, because it's fantastic. There's also this cool artwork over here with all of these like patches from nature. That looks cool. So yeah, this is not a pet-friendly resort. You have to be a service dog to be able to stay here. Regular pets are not allowed. Service dogs are welcome. Cast members are very considerate and accommodating for us. Quite nice. Very, very nice people working here at Disney. And now we'll take a look outside and see our view, which is the pool. There we are. That's where we've been walking around, looking at everything. That's the pool. Right there to the right is the activity center. And then the main lobby is over there to the left. We've got 2 chairs out here and a table if you want to come out onto the patio. Not a balcony because we're on the first floor. Little tree there. So this looks cozy. Totally cozy. All right. Good? Yeah. Okay. So that's going to conclude our room tour. And then we will see you guys over in maybe Whispering Canyon for dinner, perhaps. All right. We'll see you guys later.